Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I have the May Hot Tips nail box, a subscription. This is a subscription box that comes every month. This one is May. So we'll just go ahead and get right into it. I did just open it just to make sure, you know, everything was in there and stuff. So, alright, so we get here. There's no card in it this month and no stickers. Alright, so the first thing we see here, oh, these are so pretty. These butterfly charms. Wow, I've never seen anything like this. Super pretty. Alright, so we get these butterflies here. I love this yellow and purple one. Oh, it's so pretty. I've never seen any butterfly charms like this. Super pretty. I love those. So we get those. Oh, these are pretty. Alright, so we get these blue rhinestones and then like the AB crystal rhinestones. Super pretty. And then these are, yeah, these are the water decals. Butterflies. So yeah, the theme of this month is butterflies. Those are super cute. And then we get some roses and also has some butterflies. And then it's got different little health, dream, believing, just different little words down there. Those are cute. And then, oh, these are really pretty. Like blue and purplish butterflies and flowers. Next we get these really pretty butterfly glitters here. They're real shimmery and shiny. A lot of different colors, really pretty. My favorite though was this tealish blue-green color. Oh, it's just beautiful. Really pretty. So yeah, I flipped it over and you can see them a lot clearer through the bottom of it. But yeah, just a good variety of different colors there. And then the last thing we get is an acrylic every month. This is from the Glitter Baby Fantasy Collection. I have the blue and the yellow so far. That's super pretty. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Let's hope there's a charm in it this time. Last month I didn't get a charm in mine, so I haven't checked it yet. So let's see. Oh, I do feel something. Oh, yay. Oops, I just spilled a little bit. Oh my goodness, look how cute. Little fish. Super cute. So yeah, you get a charm, a kawaii charm in each of the acrylics, but last month I didn't have one. Alright, so let me go ahead and get the monomer and we'll swatch this real quick. It is so pretty. It's purple with different size hexagons, and then there's also butterflies and like little moons in there. But I think they're more on like the clear glitter side, so it's hard to see them, but look at that. Oh, it's just so pretty. Really pretty purple and just the different shifts of color. So now we're going to get started with the set. I'm going to put on my peel off base coat. That's the one I got off Amazon, and then I cure that for 30 seconds. And then I'm going to be applying the nail tips with some Macart nail glue. Just apply a little bit to the well of the nail tip and then just press it down for a few seconds. Now I did have problems with the middle finger. I think because the peel off base coat, it was not sticking. I tried so many times, so I ended up using this 3-in-1 by Burano base coat to apply the rest of the tip. So I just put a little bit there and I just flash cured it, and then I cured it for like 30 seconds. And then I'm just going to go in and just take down the size, or excuse me, the length of the tips a little bit, and then I just go in with the hand file on the sides of the nail to make sure it's flush with the sides of the nail. And then I'm going to go in and just roughen up the tip. I'm not going to go too much. I don't go on the nail bed just because I have that peel off base coat. And then just remove all the dust. And so I did decide to change the colors. I was going to use the purple and the blue that I got. I think that's from March, the blue acrylic. But the blue was, oh my gosh, it was super, super chunky, and it was, I don't know, today it was just hard to work with. So I ended up switching to purple and yellow. The yellow is what I got in last month's box. But yeah, purple and yellow is what I originally was going to do because of that charm, how it had the yellow and the purple. But then I don't know why, for some reason I was like, oh, all the stickers are blue, so I wanted to do the blue, but that didn't end up working out. So, but I actually liked the way the yellow and the purple went. You know, I thought they looked really good together. So I'm just laying the acrylic down. This was real easy to work with, even though it is a chunky glitter. I mean, it was easy to work with, and you have enough time to press everything down. It doesn't set up super quick. So yeah, I'm just gonna show this nail, and then I will show the yellow one on the ring finger. So this is what the purple looks like, super pretty. I just showed that real quick. And then yeah, I'm gonna go in with this yellow. The yellow isn't as chunky as the purple one. It still has hexagons, but not as chunky, and this one was really good to work with. I used this one for my 420 nails that I did last month. Yeah, I really like their acrylics. I don't know, today the blue one, for some reason, it was a little bit hotter today, so it just seemed like it was setting up, but I don't know, it is a little bit more chunkier, but yeah, I'm glad I decided to go with the yellow. This is the nails here once I applied all the glitter acrylic. I think they came out pretty good this time, not too lumpy, and the apex was coming out pretty good. So now I'm going to go ahead and encapsulate all the glitter, all the nails, because they're glitter. So I'm going to go ahead and use the Young Nails Clear. I really like this. This is still the old packaging. I've had this one for a while, but it still works really good. And I just did a Young Nails haul. I have a video on that. They were having a sale, and I got 2 for the price of 1. So one of those I'll be putting in a giveaway. Whenever I get to 500 subscribers, I'm going to do a giveaway. So a lot of things that I got 2 of. So I'm going to be putting the other one in a giveaway, and I've got Nail Couture stuff too in there. So I don't want to talk about it too much because I don't want people just subscribing for, you know, just for the giveaway. I want people that are really here and that like the videos and that are always commenting. So yeah, that'll be coming up if I get to 500. So now I'm going to go ahead and take this ceramic drill bit, and I'm just going to go around the cuticles and just remove any lumps or anything in the nail, make it nice and smooth. So I'm going in now with the hand file. I'm just gonna straighten out the sides and the tips, make them, you know, nice and straight. And then I'll also go over the top of the nails too with the hand file. It also helps to remove any bulk and to smoothen out the nail. And then I'm going to go ahead and buff the nails. I did use a sanding band too, and I don't know what happened to that footage. And then I'm going to go in with the Not Polish Gloss It top coat. I really like this top coat. It's really shiny and it's not too thick, not too thin. It's like a good consistency. And I just love when you put the top coat on and those glitters come out. Oh, they're so pretty. And I'm going to go on and place this little charm. It kind of blended in with the nail a little bit, but I don't know. I like the way it looked with the yellow. So I just applied the Macart rhinestone glue, and then I'm just going to be placing the butterfly on, and then I'm just going to flash cure that real quick for a few seconds. And then I'm going to be applying some of the AB rhinestones, the crystal ones that came in the set. I'm going to be applying those just like above the butterfly, kind of like a curved pattern. And then I'll also place some coming off the bottom of the butterfly too. So on the thumb I went in with this purple butterfly sticker, and then I'm going to do the same thing that I did on the ring finger. I'm just going to be applying the rhinestone just kind of like in a curved pattern. I mean, the nails were so glittery, it was kind of hard to see the rhinestones, but it's still, I mean, they were just so pretty. But I ended up leaving the purple nails just plain because stickers and rhinestones, they would have been hard to see on the dark purple. So, but I think they were simple, but still really, really cute and so glittery. So I'm going to go ahead and apply the cuticle oil. I really needed it. Seems like when you work with acrylic, I don't know, it makes my fingers super dry. But this is the finished set here. Oh my gosh, look at that glitter, that shine, just so pretty. And that charm is just gorgeous. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate all your comments and encouragement. I really do appreciate it. Well, we'll see you next time. Bye.